Alright, it's on now. There's a guy standing up on his bike, no hands. Standing on the seat with no hands on the handlebars. Yeah. Fuck if I know. I don't know how he keeps the throttle going. Maybe he had his foot on the throttle. I have no idea. It's great. Yeah, no, it's well beyond dangerous. I mean, the number of guys doing wheelies and, legs draped over the front of the handlebars and all the rest of it, it's pretty freaking psycho. Oh, yeah, yeah. There's people pulled over on the side of the road taking videos of it. Nowhere to be found. And what are they going to do? They're going to pull them all over? That's not going to happen. Yeah, I think there was already one guy down the ways back. There's a whole bunch of them stopped. I couldn't see. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, that was my assessment. That it looked to be that, but I couldn't see. But it looked like people were concerned and scrambling. That's a good thing I'm not in any hurry to get where I'm going here, because it's definitely slowed things down. I'm back up to 55 miles an hour again. It looks like they might be going up to 15 here, so I might be losing them, hopefully. I can't believe that there's not somebody bloody on the concrete by now. I really can't. I mean, the guys literally standing straight up. The bike's going like 70 miles an hour, and his both feet are on the seat, and his arms are up anywhere near the bike. Well, yeah, it was kind of cool, but it's also psycho as hell. Yeah, they're getting off here, so lucky me. Yeah, crazy. They all got off. All right, end of video.